Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a sabudana khichdi recipe. For this I have taken a roasted groundnut of 1 bowl that I have powdered it. Now take a vessel and add groundnut seeds powder to a soaked sabudana and add salt and sugar to it. Now take a vessel and heat that and add a 4 teaspoon of oil to it. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to it. Now add a half cup of roughly chopped potatoes to it. Fry it well until potatoes become soft in a texture. Actually, this is one of our all-time favorite recipe in my family. Twice or thrice in a week we will do this recipe. Now I am adding 3 green chilies to it. Fry it well. Now add a sabudana mixture that we made earlier. Sabudana should not be sticky. Now I am adding a coriander leaves to it. This is completely optional. If you want to add, you can add it. Otherwise, if you are in a fasting, you can skip it. Close the lid for 2 minutes and again stir it. Like that you need to do it for 2 times. Now sabudana khichdi is ready to eat with a curd. Please like, share and write comments in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching.